Think and Grow Rich. Chapter 1. A thought translate into intense desire and pursued relentlessly will finally become reality. But it must not be wishy-washy thinking. You have to burn your bridges. Once a decision is taken, commit to it. Don't doubt. Do not be half-hearted. Pursue our goals with focus. Unite into an unstoppable force. My past mistake is failed to explain all these. Forcing people to eat, sit, and sleep on the plan when their heart is somewhere else. They are focusing on the rewards. Chapter 1 states that nothing is impossible. It cited great events in history. Singapore is one classic example, but the team has to be single-minded and work in unison. What happened was team not really supportive, and I was forcing, not leading. Everyone agreed to work as a team, but what happened was everyone see themselves as individuals. They stayed within their comfort zone and did not work the new plans with honesty and earnesty. All were afraid of the unknown and subtly remained on the sidelines, waiting to step in only when the time is right. No matter how much I tried to reverse this situation, I failed to get genuine support. That's why we have never succeeded. And I can say history will repeat itself if attitudes do not change. So team, are we going to waste time again? Or do you people want to give real support? 100% of peanuts will always be peanuts. Are your eyes focused on peanuts or much bigger things? Are you desire bigger things? Are you ready to pay the price? Are we going to put in earnestly effort as one team this time?